the event here at KALRO, we are displaying what we do, that is the biocomplete compost, and how farmers can utilize it to improve their farming practice.
What we've actually done here is a pop-up soil lab or pop-up soil clinic. It forced me to synthesize and really compress all the ideas into the big dream of putting the soil centers of excellence together in a platform with a bunch of partners.
There was a realization that there was a problem with our soils. And if you look at the farmers who have interacted with iCow, these are people who interact with soil. These are people who plant, they've got things in the field, they keep livestock, and these livestock they have to get forage for them. So as we started that journey of looking at how can we help those farmers better their soils, we felt there was a gap. And that gap was, who will be a champion to help these farmers understand better within their community.
The best thing we can do is passing this knowledge even to young people. We need to empower the young people, the youths, the Gen Z, how to take care of the soils, because we are who we are because of what we eat.
The model could be, until we build that pipeline of competency, of capacity in terms of having more people behind microscopes, more people understanding how to make the biocomplete compost and all, it could be that we gather the experts and pop in and out of different places on invitation by those different areas, those different hosting venues.
I have an iCow mini lab dubbed iCow Soil Center of Excellence in Nandi County, that is really serving the purpose of regenerative agriculture and also organic farming, and it is being embraced positively across the community.
I have been engaging myself with volunteering activities in training farmers in my community.
I've been working with farmers in my practice called Soil Revolution, that is based in Trans Nzoia, but I can work with farmers anywhere.
At KALRO exhibition, I expected farmers to be a bit confused and also ask so many questions. What is happening in the compost making, lab assessment?
When we set up the center here, I was absolutely thoroughly impressed by A, the fact that the students came in off their own bat, and B, that they just snapped to and took over and started working with all of the attendees.
We've been taking several people and most of the farmers through making biocomplete compost, and they were really happy to know how to make compost in the right way.
We show them the life in the compost and how we multiply the life and how we quality assure our compost through checking under the microscope.
That is where farmers come to see now what is in the compost that we've just done. They're able to see the organisms. They ask questions about what is the role that each organism plays in the soil, and we are able to take them through that. And they see that soil is actually teeming with life and how crucial that life is in the food production.
We also show farmers and how they can check the nutrient density of their crops or the produce they get in their food.
We've gotten an opportunity to link with so many farmers, to share ideas and also train people on matters compost. Our approach was majorly on soil health and soil fertility, while others only concentrated on soil fertility.
Sasa kwa sababu nimeona itanisaidia. Sasa kiulizo kile nauliza, kesho mtakuwapo, na kwa sababu sijashiba kusoma.
If we can get every farmer in Kenya practicing regeneratively,
Soil health equals plant health, equals animal health, and that equals human health. Making that connection in a wholesome way through compost and the microbes in the compost has just been fantastic.